Okay. Hey, what's going on? I am super, super excited that you guys decided to come back by my channel. In today's video is going to be a super simple DIY home decor video that will fit in any home decor, any style. I'm going to be showing you how to do these. I don't know if you've seen, they have these aged books and they have little words and little sayings on the end of the books. I actually found this project on YouTube by one of my favorite YouTube DIYers. Her YouTube channel is called Bargain Bethany, and I actually got this from her page, and I wanted to do it. I wanted to use the idea in my living room. So after the video, I'm going to show you guys how I decorated it. I hope you love it. Let me know what you think. I'll see you soon. So these are the books that we're going to be using. I picked these up at the Dollar Tree. So first you want to start out by removing the cover off each book. You can do this by either using scissors or a razor blade, whatever you have handy. You just want to completely remove the covers. When removing these book covers, it is not an easy task. Just take your time, go slow, and be patient. After you have all the book covers removed, you're then gonna rip or tear maybe like the top 2 layers or the top 2 pages. You're gonna do this until you get to a desired page that you like. You'll see this in a moment. Here I just stacked the books so I can see how they were going to look once I got them all complete. I just wanted to see how I would want to stack them. I stacked them from the smallest to the largest book. Okay, so next, after you have done that, you want to go ahead and paint your books. I decided to go with a white. You can do whatever color you like, but you just want to paint the outside of it, just like you see here. As you can see, this project does get a little messy, so you want to make sure that you lay something down to protect the area that you're working in. So after you've painted your books, you then want to sit them aside and wait for them to dry. Depending on the type of paint that you use, will tell you how long it will take to dry. So here I'm just cutting out my words. I decided to go with live, laugh, and love. You can go with whichever word choice you like. I decided to go ahead and print mine out using my inkjet printer, but you could use stamps or you could simply use your own handwriting, whatever you prefer. So once you're done cutting out all the words, you then want to glue the words to the end of the books, just like you see here. And there you have it. So, what do you guys think? This project literally took no more than 10 minutes. The longest part of this project was waiting for the paint to dry. Guys, this project is super simple, super easy, and it will spruce up wherever you put it. Your living room, your bedroom, wherever you want to. This is the perfect simple project to spruce up your living room, spruce up your bedroom. I hope you liked it. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I really enjoy doing these videos. I just want to thank you guys again for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.